Hey everyone! Today we want to tell you about an awesome event that happened at Weymouth High called You Can't Have Unity Without Community. On December 15th, the Weymouth High School community came together for a night of culture and diversity.
Tonight we're having a community forum and a fashion show to bring awareness about diversity in our community.
So we're here today to come together. There are so many different people who make up our population here in Weymouth, and it's important to celebrate all cultures here in our community, bringing diversity and inclusion to the forefront. That is our goal today.
This is Principal Monahan. Tonight we have a community unity event where we're celebrating all of our students outside of the classroom and celebrating their culture, diversity, and their personal narratives.
So we're the Weymouth dance team, and tonight we're performing, and we really love doing these events because we love dancing for the community and just showing them what we love to do.
The evening featured poetry, art exhibits, music, and even a multicultural fashion show. And of course, plenty of dancing. Jamil Adams hosted the evening, and a good time was had by all. Special thanks to Ms. Laporto and everyone who made this evening happen. Save the date. Our next event is the Diversity Summit on May 9th. See you there!